अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजल आई। Thank you so much, everyone. Get Alpha Licit LN trade to share 1.00.00 LN airdrop. Get Alpha List LNFI Network LN Time Limited Airdrop Bonus Event Line. Trade to share airdrop pool coin LN. Full name LNFI Network Public Chain and BNB Chain. Contract address Project Introduction LNFI Network Unlock Multi Asset Deep Dive 1 The Light Night Network Thuriket Nets Next again generation in financing information enable user to trade, earn and manage Bitcoin. And tar- tartaric acid and RGB acid via light knife. Event periods slide from 25.2025 11.00 slide 13.25 2025 15.59 US UTC. Get alpha licit LN list LN trade to share 1.00.00 LN a drop top 100 qualify by trading volume 500 USDT. During the event date from the previous day will be updated after 3.00 UTC daily after the event consolidates the finally qualify date will be updated. Reward one top 100 dollars. Trade LN on Get Alpha with 500 USDT total buy during the event tops 100 by total by volume get 2.00 LN airdrop my trading volume 0500 reward 2 first 200 get $10 trade LN on Get Alpha with 100 USD total buy during the event 2.00 LN airdrop for the first 200 user first come, first served by trading volume 0100. Reward 3 day check in get $20. Trader trade 50 USDT LN daily to check in accumulative 3 plus leg check into during the event to share 1400.00 LN pool by check in day Rito Max 400 LN per user. My trading volume cumulative days. Join the Get Alpha community and unlock more high volume value event rewards. Event notes. One click uh, click join now is regulatory from the system to record your data. To click enroll trading start statisticals periods of 00.00.0023.59.59 UTC daily country as one click in day. 3. Only users who met the requirement are eligible for rewards. Please read the event rules carefully. For the reward full value display on the event page is as military figure from reference only for the tactical reward view. Please refer to the official numerical and the tactical distribution result. 5. The recursion from the event page leads and only to the alpha trading strong. The cryptocurrency display on the registration page does not represent the event subscription trading peer. Please verify to excite cryptocurrency contact regularity from the event in the official analytical. You must click the Join Now button or to participate in the event and receive rewards. Reward 1 top 100 when airdrop 2.00 LN. During the event amount, user who trade in LN in Get Alpha Zone with a cumulative cumulative LN by volume 500 USDT, the top 100 by cumulative by volume get airdrop 2.2.00 LN. Reward to first 200 traders get airdrop 200 LN. During the event, daily cumulative LN by volume 50 USDT context as a successful check in accumulative 3 plus check in INS to share 400.00 LN. With rewards practical to your click in days, max rewards per user 400 LN. Check in rules during target target practical 0.00.002.5.9.59 UTC daily counts as one click in day. Reward 1, Reward 2, and Reward 3 can be uplifting symmetricals. How to participate in Get Alpha Trading? Please go to the Get Alpha section, search for LN and participating in target. Disclaimer: the above tokens information is a contribution by completely. For contribution, please cannot customer service properly. Addition 1. All participating must complete the verification before they can receive rewards. Rewards will be distributed within 40 working days after the end of the event. User entering Get Alpha for the first time needs to read and complete the and negative in translation disclaimer as a guide and sync the relative user agreement. The token project of Get Alpha by have in singularity risk and information to so please invest it condition based on a full integration of the risk. Bulk registration of simple accounts, legacy wash trading, self trading, and other cheat, chatting behaviors are statutory. Prohibit multiple accounts of the CUM verified user will be treated as the CUM accounts. If a user participating in multiple events held during the computers, the rewards for multiple event participating are not sporting from depleted claims. On the rewards for a single event participating are spotted. If there is an discrepancy between the transferred version and the English original, the English version shall prevail. Get receiver the sole dedication and high the right to interpret this event are activated and has the right to modify relative streams or cancel the event without previous notes. This event is not relative to Apple ANC. User in the UK and other registered areas cannot use are part of the service inclusive participating in these events. Games are competitions from details information about registered areas. Please read user agreement. Please note that we do not indicate indeed to solid or are market to commission consummated to in such edition aids. Gateway to crypto trader hour 3.00 cryptocurrencies selfie quickly and easily on get. Tax action now. Sing up, sign up and claim up to $100 in welcome rewards, invalidated friends and earn 14% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram commission to discuss trading topics. Enable with our global commission for the last insight. Transparency and security. Check our 100% from our receiver. LNFY network LN trading fair uh, granted winner trade to come Samash Golden Eagle X and share 100.00 dollars LN. Get launches the LNFI networks LN trading fair join the fund by Sunshine Golden Eagle X to win trading balls and share 100.00 dollars in LN rewards. The more channels to comes Golden X, the higher the probability of winner. Pick prize. Click the button now below to participate now. Get target fair. Line F Network LN trading fair. Share and trade to share 1.10.00 dollars. Great price. Complete the task and you will get more cancel. Activated roles. Participate can get cancel to grab prize by completing and of the following tasks. User must visit the event page on the come day to claim their tax rewards. 100 raw chance cleans. Spot trading open. Get one cancel for event 10500 dollars LN spot trading volume or $700 spot trading volume or other tokens accumulatory get up to 10 cancel for target spot trading. Invalidated now friends. One invalidity are now user to regulatory and completing a single deposit of money of any amount in LN or spot trading or futures trading get to get one channel one cancel. So if the invalidate completing a single deposit of at last $100 in any tokens are accumulated $10500 in spot trading volume are reached 2.00 in future trading volume. The invalidate gets to education chains. Up to 50 now user can be invalidated. Launch pool user participating is launch pool for the first time will get three chains during the event. Now first time complete participating will get one chance for each launch pool participating. Now user bonus. One register and completing a single deposit for of any amount in LN is or sport trading or future trading to get one chance to a single deposit of at least last $100 in entry tokens or $500 in sport trading volume or $200 in future trading volume gets three chance. Sharing the pin when share the page with friends and the invalidated successfully log into the page and complete any tasks. The invalidated can win up to $50. Notice on trading volume by volume sale volume. Deposit in limited to and join deposit from other platform to get accounts are buying crypto and get with credit departed credits fund transfer deposit amounts get accounts will be invalid. Please complete invalid verification before the event ends to receive rewards. Market mask cooperation and identified accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. One user with sub accounts and master accounts and multiple accounts with the in and definitive information will be demand as the account and user will the rate volume of sub accounts and to be a candidate as the of master accounts and sub accounts are not eligible to participate in the event. About Lanif network LN. Respecting Bitcoin renaissance with Lanif Bullet to Scalis. Unlocking multiple asset defeat on the light night network. When ballot on five, get a blend notes naturally light night not and utility and Bitcoin locality accounts access apps on lighting networks. Great chance one. Agreeability chance one with use and start adding LSLN. The helper receivers are you need to start building the next biggest app to lighting network. Even period July 25, 2025, 10.00 am, August 14, 2025, 10.00 am UTC. How to participate? Step 1 visit to activate page. Step 2 complete tasks to earn chance. Canvas to golden eggs. Step 3 recorded select a golden egg to click the play button to choice and create open it with the prize. Rules user can calculate it into trading balls and unlock balls by completing an of the following stake task. User can exchange the balls of rewards free trading balls 1 LN. Task 1 is sport trading. During the event, get one chance of every one $500 LN sport trading volume are $5,700 for trading volume of other tokens accumulatory. Get up to 10 chances for get up to 100 chance per day sport trading. Tax 2 invalidate now friends. One invalid now user to register and completing a single deposit of any amount in LN. Our sport trading of our future trading to get one chance. So if the invalid completing a single deposit of alert at last $100 and annual tokens are accumulatory $500 in spot trading volume reach $2.00 in future trading volume in the invalid get to a critical chance up to 50 now user can be invalidated. Task 3 now user bonus register and complete a single deposit of any amount in LN spot trading or future trading to get one chance to a single deposit of at last $100 in annual tokens or $500 in spot trading volume or $2.00 in futures trading volume. Get two chance. Tax to launch pool. One user participating is launch pool for the first time will get three chances. See, during the event, non first time participating will get one chance for each large pool participating. Tax 5 share to win. Sharing this page with friends and the invalidated successful log into the page and complete any tasks. The invalidate can win up to $50. Each invalidated user can contribute to a maximum of one share in like link. Invalidate successfully log into the page and complete any task which to consider a valid invalidate. Number of people successfully invalidated. Research request to 5 people's total prize pool $500 in the prize pool will be divided attributed to the ranking of the number of invalidates. One all participant needs to click the join now button and complete invalidity verification before the event ends to be eligible from rewards. Target volume by volume, sale volume, user support trading volume should reach $500 or future trading volume and should reach $1.00 during the event periods to reach receiver rewards not deposit volume deposit withdraw. Deposits are limited to can deposit only, and internal transfers and get caught deposits are not included. 5 target balls 6 LN collection lucky balls to spell it $2 LN space it on the retreat of rich user lucky balls. The total prize pool for the golden egg Kamesh event is for 2.00.00 LN. If the prices that are usually have draw are larger than 2.00.00 LN, the rewards will be distributed in full amounts. If the draw price are more than 2.00.00 LN, the rewards will be spelled based on the reported of user price. Record receiver rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the event, and the and can be checked and transferred history. The reward of task 5 in get points validated for 13 days. Rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the event endings and can be clicking or used in please activate and user the validation within it is verification periods. As, as expedient become invalid, market must crypto project and instructed accounts will fail in effectively events again accounts and sub applicability sub accounts periods can accounts and sub partner accounts are not eligible to participate in these events. If the user participates with other activate and get a similarity, then will only receive the reward from an activity. The user of duplicate accounts and any other clicking behavior such as invalidity or trading volume register for fake accounts, self-trading other matching etc. or strictly prohibited on user with accounts and master accounts and multiple accounts with the inflated verification will be deposited as the account and user with the trading volume or sub accounts when to be country as then master accounts and sub accounts are not eligible to participate in these events. where can deposit receipt between the transparent verification and the original English version. The English version shall behave will get receiver a right to the right finally expression. This event is not exclusive with Apple ANC user and the limited can Tom and other restriction location cannot receive to receiver and collected participate in this event game. Our participation to see the user agreement for future details and restriction location. Get team led 25.2025 get by to crypto trade hours responses cryptocurrencies selfie quickly and easily and get accounts now sign up to claim up to $10.00 in welcome rewards invalidate friend and earn a 14% commission stake can text visit Get official website, download the Get app, follow you scan extract to get more bonus. Join our Telegram commission to discuss trading topics available with our available commission for this last analysis. Transparency and security check are 100% proof or receiver. Yeah. Last full kick staking and practical non tokens about Launchpool. FAQ. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake assets or behave it equivalently to earn rewards in non-profit project tokens. You can lock specified tokens and the Launchpool would receiver can cross-betting project tokens rewards like join Launchpool now. So how can I participate in Launchpool? First, log in to your Get accounts and negative to the Launchpool page. And then choose to project you want to participating is and stake your asset. 3. Which coins can a stake is launched pool. The tokens eligible for participating will be acclimated on the mining page of each project. Please visit the prospecting page of Launchpool to receive to view more details. How many tokens will be rewards? Honor staking rewards invalidated last 1 hour valid staking amounts to total pool staking amounts rewards pool. System will take a snapshot of invalidated stake amounts each or and stake and if average is the valid staking amounts. How are rewards in this distributed system will take snapshot of invalidated stake amounts and distributed token rewards to equilibrate user earning will be deposited into user spot accounts. When will the ticket asset be repeated? After the user is admitted to advance or to staking is completing to staking asset will be transferred to simple and by different. If this option is locked chained, that staking asset will be transmitted to spot asset. If the amount or admitted asset is not Shamal, simple and it does not make to mining inspection accounts are simple and the asset will be automatically transferred to spot asset. If simple and does not support the separation of the arithmetic tokens, the asset will also be automatically referred to spot asset. Can I return by ticket message at any time? The system will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amounts each hour or an allocation to valid staking amounts have every early repetition. My result is the loss of recursive rewards plays minority a stable staking amount of unscreened mining rewards. 9. Yeah, it can add a regulatory staking asset. You can increase your asset and stake it asset at any time. The more tokens are staking, the aggregation or particular mining rewards. However, once the reward cap in receiver, you will no longer receive staking rewards. Can participate in multiple project at the come time when there are multiple launchable projects going on. The outcome time you can stick in different pool to receive now tokens mining rewards or from multiple project. Each staking pool needs to be the stake is practical. If you only stake asset in pool A, you will not be able to applicate rewards from pool B. You can staking pool A and pool B is preferred to applicant to its cooperating cooperating in mining rewards. Then what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The early rewards get hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached and future staking receiver will be created, please refer to the invalidated implementation of the mining page of the rewards are cap limited from each project. While staking asset in the large pool increased by my VIP level. No, asset staking it get launch pool will be inequality in the asset inequality calculation or alter a drop a large pool and VIP behaviors. Candidate completing tasks to claim a drop 5.72k per total participate 5050k to point 1k total airdrop EST. How to join one select project, select the project you are invested in and completing the invitation and the investigative task to earn candles. To complete investigative and educative tasks, to more tasks you complete, the more candles you can earn and the better your chance of getting airdrop rewards will be. Reva- Wait for airdrops. Click the reward distribution status and wait for the airdrops. FAQ what is Candy Drop? Candy Drop is any airdrop and completing launching by get user can in candles by completing tasks as such as participating in trading deposit invalidated friends and more the more tasks and completing the more candles your increases your changes of winner airdrop rewards. To earn candles, you can earn candles by completing deposit tasks in Candy Drop task tapping included trading tokens, deposit and more. Each completing task will create you a creation amount of candles. How to verify and completing of the event tasks. After completing a task, the platform will automatically verified is without regulatory manual validated. You will see a property once the task is successful of completing. When will rewards be distributed? Rewards will be distributed to winner get accounts within 14 working days after the event and can be viewed in wallet behavior details. User must complete verification different verification before claiming rewards. Can the candles be TMP activity from the next events? Candles are exclusive to each event and cannot be added ever to the next one. Holder a drop, yeah, hold a GT and get a massive airdrop for free. Zero airdrop rewards 1 to 8 point dollars to 1 billion community airdrops. $20 के total airdrops 11.7 billion participating. Launchpad Launchpad we are to the next big tokens project 1.7 b 72 b amounts 71.39K participate 3 project. आज का प्रोजेक्ट बस इतना सा था। अब नेक्स्ट मुलाकातों की एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। मैंने एलएन के बारे में सब आपको डिटेल्स दे दी हैं, तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो फॉलो शेयर लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, दुआ में याद रखिएगा।